We offer, O Lord, these gifts, which come from the bounty of your kindness. Now we give back to you earnestly, to be shared with those in need. Receive, O Lord, we beseech you, this humble offering with all our failings. Grant that through the power of your grace, we may be led to holiness. We offer, O Lord, this bread and wine, fruits of our toil and of the earth. As we partake in this holy feast, may we be one in mind and heart. Receive